Talks have been going around for years that Apple is working on a mobile. Ideas, leaks, and patents. A lot of it seemed like guesswork. All of a sudden, though, something like this appears, and it seems real. This is the iPhone Fold. I'm not kidding when I say this could be the most important change to the iPhone ever. Let's get started. It still looks very Apple when you open the box. Clean, simple, and without any extra stress. The mood is a little more tense this time though, since this isn't just another iPhone. It's right there on top. At first glance, it seems surprisingly low-key. Apple hasn't done anything fancy here. It looks almost like it wants to fit in. It feels like a normal iPhone when you pick it up, and when it's folded up. Slim, well-groomed, and very recognizable. What you hold might not even be a question if you didn't know what it is. That being said, the feel, weight, and balance are a little different. It makes me think that there's more going on. One more thing before we go any further. We're still not sure if this is the final production unit or just a really well-done test. But to be honest, it looks very Apple, almost too real to be fake. It's likely that the final version will come out in a few months, either way. And if that's the case, I'm pretty sure of one thing. It will look a lot like this when it's done, and then there will be the moment. When you open it, things do change. The hinge is the first thing that stands out. It's neither stiff nor loose. It's just carefully managed and smooth in that Apple way that makes you feel like every feature was carefully planned. There are no strange creaks or resistance, just a smooth, sure action. The screen just comes to life when it opens. There's a quick change from holding a phone to something that feels much bigger, like having a small tablet in your hands. It's kind of hard to stop that shift. It can fit in your pocket 1 second and be big the next. Then it hits you hard. Apple isn't the only company making a folding phone. Apple is slowly changing what an iPhone can do. I'm really interested in what you think about this. Do you think this is useful, or do you think it's still too early? Fill out the form below with your ideas.